Let me show you how to do this guard with no fade, fade with no guard. I don't know how to explain it, man. Just watch the video, man. Just watch it, okay?
So the bitch you was docking with Bozo, and then you fuck with Boss on the logo. I had the bitch on the side, then I gave that bitch some pride.
Alright, so I started off with my ball guideline before I started combing this down. My bad, y'all, I didn't start filming that. But if you don't know how to make a ball guideline, you'll need to be cutting hair. So I go all the way open with my blade, and I'm just carefully scraping off that hair, carefully debulking that hair. You don't want to just go straight to the scalp when you're all the way open like that at the top where the hair meets the locks or whatever. Just be careful, and you can go to the scalp, but just be careful with it just at first, like just see how the hair is cutting at first. And but yeah, I'm just debulking all that hair, and then I'm gonna go all the way open to make my first guideline in the back. And next, after that right here, I go halfway open or halfway closed, whatever you see it as. Just go and put the lever in the middle. Then I close it all the way, come at the bottom, and just fade out that bottom guideline. And then what I'm gonna do, since I'm not using no guard, I'm gonna open up my lever all the way. I'm just gonna use the edge of the trimmer, not the trimmer, the clipper, to just I'm just kind of like flicking at the hair to try to lighten it up. Since I'm not using a guard, I'm just trying to make that blend effect with the edge of my clipper. I turn it all the way to the side, kinda, as you can see right here, and I'm just scraping at it. Just continue to flick out at the in that area where I want the fade, wherever I want the fade to be. And yeah, I'm just going that scooping motion like that, and that's how I'm gonna make the fade with no guard. It's that simple. It's that freaking simple. So now I'm just debulking a little bit more, scraping off a little bit more hair that I didn't get. But that's all to it, man. It's really that easy. You want to be careful if you just now starting, trying to do this technique or whatever, if you've never done it before. Just take your time. Just flick at the dark spots, and keep on flicking at the dark spots till you get a little bit more of a transition. Now I'm all the way open, and I'm kind of just flicking at that left area because I feel like it was kind of dark. But mostly I'm just using the edge of my clipper, and I'm just like flicking at it to make it look like it's kind of like a little fade. And that's it. That's what I'm gonna do for the whole entire head, you guys. The whole entire head. I'm sorry that I ain't been dropping no videos. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get back on this shit, man. Fuck. I'm just tired. I'm tired of starting and stopping and stopping and starting and starting and stopping. Like Future said when he said shit, I don't even remember. He said, I'm in the 2-door, now I'm back in the 4 now.
I put in the 2-door to photo. Went from a 2-door to photo to 2-door, and back in the coupe.
Shit.
Shit.
But anyways, like I said, I'm back on the back to cutting the right side of the head. I'm just doing the same thing I did on the back, just debulking all the way open, cutting the hair down. Okay, and see what I'm doing here is just pretending like the head is a baby mama, and the head's my baby mama, but I don't have a baby mama. But let's say I did, and you wanna scratch at that baby mama, you know what I'm saying, like you hate her, you know what I'm saying, you wanna claw, you wanna get that hair off there, you know what I'm saying, just like you would your baby mom, because you you don't like baby moms, we always arguing and shit like that. So you want to scratch her, bum, claw that hair off there, get all that off, and yeah, just like a lion, you just want to maul, her, you know what I'm saying, and yeah, I'm just continue to scrape, and then I'm gonna go all the way open. Set my first guideline in, then I'm gonna go halfway in the middle with that lever, go a little bit below where I went all the way open, then I'm gonna close it all the way and just flick out at that bottom guideline. And now we should have a little taper blend effect right there in that temple area. Bald that out, and then I'm gonna go all the way open. Well, first I'm gonna go, try to scrape some of that hair down a little bit more. Then I'm gonna go all the way open, you guys. all the way open. I'm turning my clipper all the way to the side, or angle it to the side like I did in the back. I'm gonna flick out at that bottom guideline, flick out the bottom line. Now you may see me play with that lever, go in the middle and close all the way to a little bit. And what I'm doing there is just sometimes the all the way open doesn't cut as much as I would like to, as quick as I would like. So I'm just speeding it up by closing and opening it a little bit, just playing with that lever, and I'm steady using the edge of my clipper, as you can see, just using the edge of that clipper to make that blend effect. And that's all you really need, guys. It's not something you can really just teach. You can just watch it, and you have to try it, and it's gonna come to you over time, okay? And yeah. So I was gonna go to Barbercon this weekend in Dallas, y'all, but I didn't get to go because I lost my contacts, my freaking goddamn. So the night before Barbercon, right? It was Saturday night. I took my contacts out. I guess one of them fell because the next morning I opened my contact little container and the right contact wasn't in there. So I was like, fuck! Looking on the ground and shit, trying to find it. I was like, man, I gotta salvage this contact. Couldn't find it. And so, no Barbercon Dallas vlog. I might try to go to the one in California, the little retreat they're gonna have in like September or whatever it is, and film some of that or whatever. But who knows, man? Who knows? I couldn't do the shit. But yeah, here's the left side of the hair. I'm just doing the exact same thing. I sped it up a little, a lot more, because who wants to sit there and watch the same shit? I know I don't. I already explained it to y'all on the back and the side. So, yo, just try that shit. Just try that shit out if you want to fade with no guard. So, yeah, man, I'm back, man. I'm trying to upload more videos. I lost my mic. If the microphone doesn't sound that good, it's because I'm using the little earbud, the little Apple earbud thing where you like plug into the phone, and it's like a little microphone that's hanging out from the earbud. Yeah, I'm talking to that. But I'm gonna have to buy me another one, or whatever, if I don't find my other one. If it sounds weird or a little different to y'all, that's why. Now I'm gonna line up, as you can see, and I'm cutting the hair down with the clipper all the way open, lever all the way open. Hey, another tip for y'all: if y'all want to fade with no guard, do a haircut with no guard, make sure y'all want to use a taper blade. Like these Babyliss come with a taper blade on them. Don't use a fade blade. And the difference, if you don't know, it's like the taper blade has like a curve on it, like in the back, and the fade blade is like completely flat. Like the fade blade being completely flat, it's probably gonna take off a lot more hair, and it's probably gonna like leave gaps or cut off way more hair than you need to. So just use the taper blade. Make sure y'all using the taper blade if y'all want to cut with no hair. Yeah, my lineups, I like to spray on my little holding spray first, Tresemme holding spray, then spray. Come back with the blow dryer, freeze it up a little bit. Then I'd like to go in with my lineup. Lately, I've been going on the side first. Not all the time, but I've been kind of picking up a habit a little bit. Edging up the sides first, doing a little vertical bars and a little C-cup. Because sometimes I might go too far over when I'm lining up from the middle to the side, and it might leave like a little part in there. But you don't have to do that. I recommend if y'all just starting off, just go from the middle to the sides, left or right. You probably want to go to the side where it's receding the most, so you can match up the other side. But yeah, just go from the middle to the left and right. And that's all I do. That's all I do, man. Simple little lineup. You know what I'm saying? Simple little shizots. You know what I'm saying? Same old. Same old, y'all. I'm gonna see if I can try to upload and be more consistent this year. I'm trying to go ahead and get monetized, y'all. Let's see if I can fuck around and upload 2 videos a day, man. Fuck it, why not? Why the fuck not? You know? Yeah. But anyways, let me stop all the cursing, psych. But let me calm down in case, your parents are listening and they might say who's that guy? Who's that fuck 'em up Phil guy? Turn him off. He is a delinquent. Nah, but anyways, just lining up from left to right like normal. And yeah. Oh, make sure y'all, you know what I'm saying, y'all want to get that crisp line. Make sure y'all change out y'all blades, because y'all be having blades that y'all never change. Since y'all bought y'all clippers, y'all be having the same blades in barber school. Man, every 6 to 9 months, change y'all blades and y'all trimmers, y'all clippers, so y'all can cut better. Y'all be feeling like, dang, man, all my cuts don't be coming out the same, because you need to get you a new blade. The blade don't even want to cut hair no more. You know what I'm saying? That thing old, that thing tired. That thing that lived 9 lives. You trying to breathe life into a dead being. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got. You feel me? You feel me? So, yeah. Anyways, I'm back with my trimmers, as you can see, after I lined it up, because I want to get a little bit more of a bald effect. So I just come on with the end of my trimmers, hit at the bottom of that little taper, and you're gonna see me do the same thing on this side, just making my C cup a little bit more defined here. Then I'm gonna go in the bottom with my trimmer, edge of it, just kind of balding out that area a little bit more, where it could be a little bit more bald. You know what I'm saying? And that's about it for the fade. That's about it. That's pretty much it. Now on this side, I saw it was kind of like different from the other side. I feel like it was on the other side of the taper area, it's kind of a little bit wider, so I just kind of went back in, edge of my clipper, playing with the blade, open, middle, close, and just trying to bring that together a little bit more. But it'll be fine. Everyday barbering, everyday lifestyles type shit, every day in the shop. Ain't nobody worried about all that shit. Just give them a freaking haircut and they're happy. And so now I'm putting on my pencil, my white pencil. Make sure y'all don't line up certain people, especially like real fair skinned, light skinned people like this. Don't press down too much on your trimmer, because it's gonna leave it like make them real red. You know what I'm saying? Their skin, gonna cause their skin to get red, and you don't want that, because it's gonna cause a lot of irritation. So as you can see, I put on my spray enhancement and I put on my fibers after that. And I'm just gonna go back and line up the edge of the pencil so it can blend in, and then I'll be done. And so yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoy this little cut. I'm back. I'm trying to get back in that action. You know. And yeah, man, 2023. Ain't much, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing much changed. Ain't nothing really changed. Just still staying in my lane, making, do, you know what I'm saying, doing it what it do. Trying to become better. Become a better barber. A better YouTuber. Now, for real, this time, y'all, I'm going to try to come back and stay here. You know what I'm saying? Just keep uploading. But anyways, I'm going to try to get monetized this year and become a millionaire and buy up all the barbershops throughout the country so no one can work anymore, make a monopoly, and charge $100 a cut in every barbershop, so you guys can make me rich, and I'll be your overlord and your superior for life. And now I'm pretty much done with the cut, just lining up the mustache, knocking it down. I always knock down mustaches pretty much all the way open most of the time with my clipper. Then I line it up, and then that's it. That's pretty much it. Just cleaning up his face off and lining up his little bottom hair, chin hair, you know. And that's the finished results. Nice, crispy, clean little taper fade. Beautiful. And that's it for you guys. See you in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Shit, ask me how I feel to watch your bitch fuck another bitch. Ask me how I